How to create a Bard AI account 2024. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Bard AI and how you're going to be creating an account for it in 2024. Now, if you're not aware, Bard AI has turned to Google Gemini, okay? Because Bard AI was a Google AI software, but they have changed its name. So, what you're going to be doing is to, get accustomed to Bard AI. What we're going to do right now is we're going to go over to their website. Now, when it comes to creating an account, in the case that you have a Gmail or a Google account, you won't need to create any other account because as you can see, Gemini is powered up by Google accounts because it's a Google software. So in the case you want to create a Bard account, you can just go ahead and log in with any of your Gmail or Google accounts. But if you still want to create a separate account for Bard, just go over to add another account and you're simply going to create an account for yourself through Gmail. And that is basically how you're going to be creating a Bard AI account for yourself. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.